Okay, before you do the integral, I recommend you will certainly try the integral, but if you want, you can click on this link over here to see someone else talk through the integral as well. All right, so I think it's an interesting problem. It's a U substitution problem, although if you have more knowledge, for example, if you've taken Math 122, you may find a different method to it, which I believe is more difficult, and certainly for my 122 students, I'll show them that, all right? So the first thing I would do, since they told me it involved the U substitution, and they don't see it, I would manipulate the integrand, all right? How would I do that? I'd factor it. So I factor it by grouping, and what I mean by that, I took the first two terms and the last two terms, and I factor them separately. And when you do that, the first two terms, you might say nothing factors there. We'll pull out a 1, and you'll get 1 times x plus sine x. And the second two terms, what are you going to get over there? Oh boy, you're going to look at that. It's cosine x, right? We left off with x plus sine x. What do I do then? Well, there's a common factor between those two terms is x plus sine x. What you left off with, 1 plus cosine x. Now I see the u substitution. And what I mean by that, if you select u to be x plus sine x, let me point that out to you. This would be the u in the problem. And what do I get? Well, the du is pretty simple. It's simply just 1 plus cosine x dx. And that's right over here. All right? So let's put the integral down. That's the integrand. Let's do the substitution. Well, fairly obvious. It should be anyway. U du, u squared over 2, and then some constant integration. What do I do? Make a substitution now. What was u? It was x plus sine x, and we're done. It's really that simple. All right? Thank you for paying attention.